The Sand Flats recreation area just outside of Moab is well known for ATV adventures and mountain biking, but it's also home to some easy rock climbs and scrambles that can occupy a few half days, which works well for rest days and restock trips into Moab. One worthwhile scramble is a Class 4 climb to the top of Teapot Rock, which offers commanding views of the whole Sand Flats area. The entrance fee to the Sand Flats was $5 per day in 2022. We're at the eastern edge of Teapot Rock. Down at the bottom left there you can see the road, and I think that's Fins and Things, or it might be Campsite H. We're coming up some very easy slab domes. You can park your car underneath Teapot Rock at Campground G. Teapot Rock can be climbed at the Class 4 grade from either the east or the west, so you'll need to wander around for a few minutes to reach the base of the route, avoiding any cryptobiotic soil on the way. We climbed the eastern route, the crux being Class 4 friction at the start.
Is the Teapot one?
It will be.
Grab around there. Oh, I'm slipping.
Yeah, desert rock. The views develop as you gain height, and you begin to feel like you're flying with significant exposure off each side of the ridge. A couple of short steps are easily negotiated. Summit of Teapot Rock. Great views from the summit of Teapot Rock right across the whole Sand Flats. 360-degree views. The summit has a flat cap rock and a wonderful setting for a picnic high up in the sky. This is looking down from the summit at the western approach, western ridge. The Sand Flats area has plenty of scrambling potential and is worth a few half-day trips out of Moab to explore during rest days.